Hello everyone, welcome back to Broadhead channel. Today we're discussing the best smart TV in India. Mobile phones and tablets are accessories that can be purchased every 2 years or 3 years, but television is one digital entertainment object purchased once every 15 years. So you need to make a wise choice by buying a television. Long gone are the days with a simple color or black and white television. Now the options are widespread and you have to make the right decision at the end of the day before making the final choice. Nowadays, there are various models available with multiple features that require you to make the right decision at the end. So, technically, you have to compare the models before purchasing them. Not everyone is aware of the features and what to look for while buying a TV. So, if you are one of those perfect people, you can read the passage below to get an idea on the TV. What is a smart TV? When it comes to television, there is a wide range of choices available, including a smart television, normal television, and Android TV. Even though certain features are common in between these three models, there is a minute difference between the basic features of these designs. The smart TV is a design that allows Wi Fi connectivity and allows you to connect to the internet. It is a combination of both the computer, set top box, and television. With this particular smart TV's help, you can now stream online videos and music, watch personal videos and photos, and browse through the internet. A regular LED or LCD TV, people prefer to be smart TVs because they are better option and much close to future models. Remember, when you purchase a TV right now, it will always be a bit old after 10 years by comparing the features. So, buying the highest model now will be the better option for you to be compatible with the future. So, after design on the type of TV you need to purchase, you have to compare the features. This feature is because when it comes to smart TV, there are at least 10 to 15 models available in the market with various features. So, to make a final choice, you have to observe the features. Size of the TV. When it comes to a smart television, automatically people think of a larger size. But even in large sizes, there is multiple choices available. Going for a small size smart TV is not suitable, especially when you are streaming online. The size of the TV should be selected depending upon your room size, because fitting a large TV inside a small room will not be sufficient. So, before choosing the size, decide on the room you will get the TV and then choose them. If the TV is for personal room, where only you will be watching, then a smaller size will be enough. But if the TV will be fitted in a living room or a movie room where multiple people will gather, then the best option available is to choose a larger sized TV. Conclusion. This particular TV can also be used for streaming online games, and hence, for that purpose, choosing a larger size will be suitable. If you are going for a medium sized room, then using a 43-inch television will be the right choice. If you are going for a room smaller than this, you can reduce the size accordingly. But for the larger living room, you can always choose a television that is about 56 to 65 inches. Because this will allow multiple people to sit and watch the TV simultaneously without getting disturbed. But if you have a lower budget and purchase a 50-inch TV is not possible, then the best is to a smaller sized TV and place the seating arrangement accordingly so that the view will be better for everyone. Combining proper seating arrangement with a good resolution TV will allow you to experience a good time even with 43 inches small TV. If you are trying to purchase a smaller size model, the better option to go for is 4K resolution. This feature will avoid the grainy appearance normally present on the TV and make it look perfect. Sharpness and resolution. Whether it is a small size TV, one thing that matters the most is the picture's resolution that it is displayed on the screen. It is always better to go for televisions with 4K or 8K resolution to experience a satisfactory resolution. The market is filled with HD and 4K resolution TVs. Recently, they have also been introducing the 8K television that have been gaining popularity at a higher price. Slowly, there has been a notable price drop in the 4K resolution TV because of the new 8K model's introduction. So, if you're interested, you can purchase a good suitable 4K model for a lower price. Choosing a 4K resolution is better because they are higher in pixel range when compared to the FHD TV, and the quality is also good. These are complete HD television sets available in the market. If you are going for a lower price, then the history of television sets are suitable and they are also comparatively better. One of the major advantages of purchasing a 4K resolution television is that they come along with the HDR features, making the display even better and allowing you to enjoy the sharp features. HDR, otherwise known as high dynamic range, is a technology used to produce high luminosity. So, technically, the image appearing on the screen will be much better and advanced. Connection points. When you purchase a TV, you have to understand that it is not a single entity but a combination of multiple other digital products to make it complete. Sometimes you will have the requirement to connect your television to the gaming devices, Bluetooth speakers, microphones, set top boxes, and other types of extra accessories to make the living room more powerful. So, in such situations, having proper ports is essential for a good connection. When you purchase the TV, look for HDMI ports because they are essential to provide high quality video content. When you are trying to connect your gaming device using an HDMI port will be more successful for a clear image. Nowadays, that is an advanced HDMI port available in a 2.0 version that provides better quality and high refresh rate. This type of port will allow you to support the future contents available in 8K resolution. These connectivities make sure that it has proper audio video inputs and a USB port for pen drive connections. It should also have the internet and Wi-Fi ports available. Refresh rate technology. This feature is a new concept for most people because nearly 95% of the people will not check this when they are purchasing the TV. Only very few know this concept and try to analyze them before making a final choice. Most of the time, the TV refresh rate will be represented in the form of hearts. When you display a picture on the TV, it will be refreshed now and then, provided proper mobility and clarity on the videos. If you are watching a fast scene in the movie, then the television with a higher refresh rate will provide a beautiful motion, while the other ones with a low refresh rate will not have such fluidity in their movements. Most of the time, the standard televisions have a refresh rate of 60 Hz, but nowadays the advanced model come with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is more powerful and efficient. This feature will allow you to watch some of the movie's important scenes or games with clarity and efficiency. Having a higher refresh rate is essential for gaming sequence televisions and hence purchase them with proper knowledge. Display technology. When it comes to the display concept, there are only three types of displays available in the current trend. The first type is one with an LED screen, the next one is the LCD and LED screen, and finally we have the OLED screen. The LED screen is a normal panel that is present in most of the flat screen. The LCD and LED screen combination is a bit of an advanced model with the entire LCD screen is lighted up using the LED lights in the background. This will provide a much required clarity on the screen and allow you to enjoy the difference between the screen's lighter and darker parts. Since the light available in the background is clear, the main feature will also be perfect, and they are available in most of the advanced models in the market nowadays. The next important screen technology is OLED technology. In this particular technology, every pixel of the screen is lit by an LED light in the background. They provide the utmost clarity and allow you to enjoy the best backlit feature available model so far. This technology is available in some of the best brands like LG, Sony, and Philips. So it is essential to choose a perfect for displaying type. Sound. When you are purchasing a television, you have to check the sound before making a final decision. For example, when you visit the shop, play a good song for an action sequence to check the sound's quality. Not well for any type of distortion in various setup. If the sound is good, then you can go for the design. Otherwise, the best option is to choose another television that does not have any air sounds when under pressure. Connecting an extra sound system along with the television will be a good choice for a TV room. All these features are essential while purchasing a TV. While you are checking the TV's quality, make sure to buy a feature at a reasonable price because sometimes purchasing a feature that has no use for you by paying high price is technically non-essential. For example, until now there is no video or movie available with 8K resolution. So technically purchasing an 8K resolution television is not useful. So the final choice you make should be perfect and reasonable. The Sony Bravia 108 cm 43 inches Full HD Smart LED TV KDL 43W6603 Black 2020 model. Sony is a well-known brand among the people for a high-quality display screen. The company has been existing for more than a decade. They have established their name in a wide range of areas including music, digital products and televisions. The company has a good name among the users and hence they have been continuously releasing new models. Sony has a separate research and development team that has continually produced designs that are famous all over the world. Among their products, one of the most famous ones is television. Their recent creation is the Sony Bravia 108 cm 43 inches Full HD Smart LED TV KDL 43W6603 Black 2020 model. When you are looking for a suitable television for a medium-sized room, this particular model is the apt design. This beautiful design is available in a special black color with a huge screen suitable for medium-sized bedrooms and living rooms. The model can be used as a standalone model and also as a wall hanging model. This particular model comes with a variety of features including a high quality smart LED screen that provides good clarity with high definition resolution. The size of the TV is nearly 43 inches which convert into 108 centimeter. The design is the latest model of the year 2020 and is preferred by most bachelors and middle class people looking for a suitable television. Sound output. This particular television provides a good quality sound output of nearly 20 watts with an open baffle speaker. It has a separate integrated TV music box that can also be used to produce sounds. The integrated system comes along with a high quality audio plus technology system. You can enjoy a high quality sound system while watching music and other entertainment shows because of these features. Connection. The system comes with two separate HDMI ports that can be used for cable or set-top box connectivity. USB cable ports are also present that are required for external hard drive and disk connections. They also have an extra set of connections for video players and game boxes. They offer a special HD quality HDR display for a clear vision and clarity. All the details on the screen are crystal clear and perfect. The processor comes with a 4 GB internal storage and a smart TV allows you to connect with the internet or Wi-Fi to stream on online channels like YouTube, Netflix and Amazon Prime. The television is made up of a LED screen and provides 1920 into 1080 pixels. The TV comes along with a special remote that emits infrared radiation for control. It also uses the latest Bluetooth technology for control. All these features, along with the good warranty, make this television a better choice. They are available on online websites like Amazon for a reasonable price. LG 80 cm 32 inches HD Ready Smart LED TV 32LM653 BPTC Dark Iron Grey 202 itself. LG is a brand that has entered almost all the country's home through its digital products and home appliances. They have produced popular products like the air conditioner, television, laptops, fridges, washing machines, etc. The company has been well known for its high quality products and it is one such brand that allows you to purchase the products without thinking. Their name is established and every project is a huge success among the people. The brand has been manufacturing a variety of television models. And recently, they have released a recent model called the LG 80 cm HD Ready Smart LED TV. This special dark iron grey model is suitable for almost all Indian homes regardless of their sizes. They make the best compact model in the country that can be used both in the living room and bedroom. They are large enough to fit a bedroom and small enough to be used in a medium-sized home. These models can be mounted on your bedroom wall and easily transferred from one place to another. Size. The model is available in a decent size of 32 inches and can be carried around everywhere. Placing them in a perfect sweet spot will allow you to enjoy a good recreation. And the sound output is 10 watts. So if you are looking for a good sound, they attach some extra speakers to the system. Smart TV. Smart TV supports all types of images and videos. Now you can stream all types of online videos and enjoy movies night with your friends and family. The TV offers two special HDMI ports and USB ports for external connection. They also have Blu-ray players and gaming connectors. This particular product comes along with an HDR quality display, dynamic color enhancer technology, so now you can enjoy watching the natural images of the system with maximum effects. They also offer a special DTS virtual sound to provide a lifelike experience. Now you can connect to the cloud and access your photos and videos. Samsung 80 cm 32 inches Wondertainment Series HD Ready LED Smart TV UA32 T434U0AKXXL Glossy Black 2020 model. Samsung is a company that has been existing in the world for more than 20 years. Being one of the best digital companies, we have produced a wide range of designs and products. We also have a separate research and development team known for creating designs with upper quality. We provide a good set of products, including television. The people in the market prefer our products because of our quality and ability to withstand pressure. Because of this very reason, the Samsung phones have gained a huge name in the country. Similarly, their television sets also have gained more popularity. One of their recent products is the Samsung 80cm Wondertainment Series HD Ready LED Smart TV. This design is available in a beautiful glossy black finish that allows you to enjoy a good outlook in the living room. These designs are available in a size of 32 inches combined with the right size and technology. The television offers a high quality display with a high definition screen and LED display. This model was introduced in the year 2020. They are preferred by people all over the world because of their quality and clarity. This particular product comes with a resolution of HD quality and the refresh rate is 60 seconds. They are suitable for regular video watching and also for providing a good streaming output. Sound. This particular product comes with a Dolby Digital Plus sound quality with 20 watt sound output. The sound produced will be perfect and you can add some extra systems for a perfect theatrical effect. You can now share your screen through the online Wi-Fi connection and other technology like Bluetooth. This product can be used as a music system and a personal computer for surfing through the internet and certain entertainment related usages. With your mobile phone's help, you can share the screen and play all the videos on the TV for a wide view. It has a special per color technology that provides live entertainment with authenticity and a clean view. The contrast color mode provides a lively experience and by making the view perfect. Buying guide. Sony Bravia 108cm Full HD Smart LED TV. Resolution HD. Sound 20 watts with an open baffle speaker. Features 43 inches wide screen. Best decor for your home. Used for gaming consoles. LED display technology with motion flow. You can check out its link in the description. LG 80cm HD Ready Smart LED TV. Resolution HD. Sound 10 watts with DTS Virtual X technology. Features 32 inches widescreen LED display screen. High quality display with HDR technology allows multitasking. You can check out its link in the description. Samsung 80cm Wondertainment Series HD Ready LED Smart TV. HD resolution. Sound 20 watts with Dolby Digital Plus technology. Features 32 inches widescreen LED screen with good display. Glossy black model per color technology. You can check out its link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Prodhat channel.